Welcome back, my dear friend. How are you doing? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your life. These modern tools tell me don't say greetings in the beginning. If I don't say welcome, then how we become a good community? How we become friends? Okay. So, yes, it will be there. First, let's have a little bit look at the previous weekly forex forecast, and then I proceed further. There is a lot I want to talk to you in this episode. So let's see a little bit the recap first. My friend, no doubt on the H4 during the week there will be several levels with us. Okay, and those several levels can be one other level like in the middle, and this middle line will be deciding whether this gold is further bullish or not. 4373. Now let's come right here again to the present market. The level that I marked for a sell obviously worked for a sell, and throughout the week I made myself clear at each and every level. There are plenty of 4 or 5 episodes I did on this specific rally. Dear friends, good week it was. Okay, and good weeks looks as this. Nice one. From my side I did my level best to update all of you time to time. When it was right here, I said only the FOMO buyers are entering right here. Okay, and on the intraday it was good. Then during the week several levels I draw. Now my friends, I will be cleaning the chart little bit. I want to make this habit that I should now clean up my chart, because then you guys comment, because I'm used to it, but then most people, so here my center of focus, obviously let's do it right here. Okay, 4373. Let's resume that. Okay, that plan. It was approximately from right here, and just have a look at it. Go to around 4380. Okay, and then it dropped. So my dearest friends, today whatever the market was supposed to do, it did it in our favor. Okay, and whenever market go in our favor, my friends, this is one of my habit that I say special thanks to the universe to. Okay, so I'm very much thankful for this particular move, because even if let's say it didn't move in my favor, I couldn't force it. Okay, but this is some stuff from the, because few years ago, a decade ago, I said, oh, how people do this, I didn't knew. My curiosity bring me to this level. So when I look back at all of my previous hardships, and I see it working, then it give like out of courtesy and happiness. This is obviously saying thanks. My dearest friend, for example, let's suppose if I become greedy and I say, oh, this profit is very less. This greediness, this is unthankfulness, and the divine, the universe, the natural laws, nature doesn't like it. Okay, nature say whatever you have, say special thanks for it, and any hardship is just a test. Anyways, my friends, I go somewhere else. Okay, I just want to you know build the foundation of a very successful trader of the future, and that future is not very far. Okay, remember, it is very near. Within few months successful traders will be born right here, inshallah ta'ala aziz, in my videos on my channel. What's next, my friend? 4373 was done. This level is holding or not holding, this is important for me. It is holding, so forget about everything. At least I'm forgetting about everything. Let's see here. Bullish scenario, bearish scenario, both of them I will be explaining. Okay, and if you know my trading style, then you will know that at which level I'm looking for buy, which level I'm looking for sell. The story of this support is still there. Okay, but just like previous week we found 4373. Now I'm making it 4380. Okay, but actually it was 4373 last week. In the upcoming week I have like, if we see, resistance is there, support is there, but I cannot just blindly buy right here, because obviously it can break on me as well. Now move on to the H4 support. We have very nice. There was a Fibonacci number, and obviously from the sell the TP level got hit, and further if we see, this was a touch and go continuation type of an opportunity. Okay, market go down, as soon as it touch it, it should immediately be doing this particular wave right here. So if market opens as this in normal condition, no big gap to the top side or to the bottom side, or no for me obviously that is overnight, because when the market opens and I already see the market break this particular level, then obviously we will reanalyze the gold. But as far as 4015.13 is holding, this analysis will be valid. So first thing first, and that is, if one really want to buy, this is the buy scenario. Okay, this is the buy scenario, and that is the sell scenario. So the upcoming week seems a little bit technical in most ways. Okay, how I'm now explaining that, it is trading like a perspective, like trading perspective. If we see on the surface, you know, it is nicely looking, and even I can wind up the session and just leave and say okay, this is the forecast. But the thought process that I want to explain, that is at each and every level how I will be looking at it, this is much important. At each and every level how you will be looking at it, that is much important. This is the ideal case scenario, remember, as this expected. Good range, it is good, nice. This is another trade opportunity. Now I will be telling you which are my favorite, which are not my favorite. Okay, and below this, you know, this is separate stuff, so let's just don't discuss it now. And this is the next level. Again, if this gold tells us I am bullish, it has to give me a break above this particular zone. Once it break above, retest, still I'm not be bullish back till up there, at least till right here. On the higher scale, if I say on the higher scale, this story, this trend line, I would say is of equal importance for me, and it has a reason. It has a reason that the trend line worked very nicely. So this is how it will be looking at on Monday. Buying confirmation one should be looking for. Well, I think on the H1 there will be this confirmation that if any candle go and close above this particular zone, the next candle will be suggesting this. Not a trading signal, okay my friend, just explaining. As this is the first stuff. Second way is, which is my favorite one. My favorite one is, if I'm looking to buy, I have to see certain level, is that broken or not broken. There was this trend that got broken right here to the bullish side of the market on Friday, but the market couldn't move nicely, and instead it also gave a break below this level. This is a freshly made level, okay, so has no big value for me. So yes, I am deleting this because most people may be treating it as a breakout from the structure, okay, as this. So even yes, one can also say that okay, I become bullish only if this market go up there, take a retest, and then till here I can become bullish. This is the safest approach, okay. Now another one, obviously sell from there, it will be suggesting, okay. Then if we further see, this is that confirmation for a buy side of the market. Now let's discuss the sell scenario. Let's say if the market is very slow, this range will still be there, okay. This will be a range. So then it depends on the trader how they trade it, but I think I just don't want to focus on this for now, okay. It will become too much complex, then want to keep it simple, okay. This pullback, retest, and then this continuation, story finish. Or let's say it go up there, consolidate a little bit drop, but give a breakout during the week. On this reset, then it will be again buying, okay. And this level, you see, I will be drawing a line right here in a moment. This will be very much important for us as well. This level, these sellers who entered, okay, I didn't met them in in person, but I think they entered with this anticipation. But there will be then several things, obviously, okay, several levels which the price need to respect. If it is going bearish, it's continuing its bearish wave, then how that should look like, that will be as this, okay. See, 3800. So in the upcoming week, then this is also possible that it can go for this correction, hit that level and come back down, consolidate right here a little bit, and bluff the bulls, trap them, and finally complete this 3800, and then take a retest or later whatever it do from there, later stuff. This is another one, okay. But activity wise, if I tell you, this is a corrective wave, remember, and this will be a continuation wave till here first, okay. During the week I will be targeting this, not this, okay. This is just a chance, okay, maybe this, then it depends on the market. So yes, and this already you know. Now what I think, this is much important. This is C to D showing me this move, and no doubt market is bearish on the daily time frame. It is bearish. but bearish opportunities were there. Okay, bearish opportunities were right here, or it will be near 4300 in the upcoming week if one is looking at it as a bearish. For now, for my plan, if I tell you, well, my plan is a little bit, I'm waiting. See, this is strongly standing at a buy zone. Okay, as per my plan on the lower time frame, my weekly plan. So that is this. It should re-enter this, and then I validate it, and then I continue looking to the top. Then from there I look to the sell side of the market till here. Okay, then a breakout, retest, and as this, and breakout, retest, and as that. So till right here I'm looking at it in the upcoming week as bullish, 4300 again. But I'm like not issuing this statement. Maybe tomorrow morning, early morning my time, I will see the market if what will be the conditions. But this is also making sense. Okay, and yes, this bigger stuff also makes sense. Okay, but I mean, fundamentally, if we see the FED hasn't increased the interest rates, so I am not sure that will be affecting gold that much. And fuel prices has gone down as well. Global uncertainty is reducing, so gold will feel no doubt under pressure. Okay, and one thing you have to do is, when let's say it don't do this, it will not mean that we failed. Okay, it will mean, because we are already sellers from there back till 3800 approximately, and even now till here. So different stuffs and different thought processes. I don't further want to explain, but otherwise there are a lot of the stuff that I can. So make sure to check out each and every episode of me. In one episode, if I combine everything, then my friend, it will become too much messy. You will not be understanding, and I will also be not able to recall. Okay, because wherever I leave my analysis, from there I start, from there I trade. So I think there is nothing left further to discuss. And yes, rest we see what it gives us. This is created a confusion. Then there is this level as well. Okay, see this 41, what is this, 4105. so if I am in front of the PC, I definitely will be observing it. So upcoming week seems like mostly for the intraday scalpers and the day traders. Okay, and for the swing traders, see, like, look at it this way. Intraday scalpers, day traders, they keep buying till there, and then at the end of the week, just like right here, again sellers appear and they attack the market, push it back down to 4015. Ideal situation this I'm looking for. If it doesn't do this, then let's see if I'm buying or not buying. I will, but this 4110, 41.9 approximately, this level. Okay, even I am doing it as this. Okay, a little bit of a drop, touch this level, and then that is more obvious on Monday, Tuesday till Wednesday, and then maybe on Thursday and Friday it dropped from there. Rest, let's see if the market open with a gap below this, then this whole plan is 4015.13. but that will not mean that our strategy doesn't work. Our strategy will be working. Okay, there is thought process behind everything. So take care. Do let me know in the comment section down below what improvement would you like to bring in these videos. So it can be more user friendly, if they are not already. From my side, my friends, I'm doing my level best, and inshallah very soon we are going to build a very strong community. You are a very successful person. Remember, you don't know, till now so far you don't know the hidden treasury that is inside you. There is hidden treasury inside you, inside your mind. You are a very positive person and you can do it, and you are doing it. I see you guys in the live stream. When you in the chat give me the level, I'm waiting till there. I understand that this person is good. So let's see, my friends. One thing you have to do, and this is not just like I'm saying, I mean it. I need prayers, okay? Prayers. I'm healthy, okay? I'm healthy, but I need further prayers. I need a good place in people's mind. That is the purpose of my life, okay? Because a life that is lived for myself alone, I think I did not lived. But the actual life is the one which is lived for others. Right? Looking forward to see you tomorrow. Thank you for being right here with me till now so far. I love you all, and wherever you are, stay blessed, stay happy, and stay successful.